Okay, you move the desk. Yeah, go ahead and point it up. What is the area over here? So now this is a square, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you find the area of a square?
Multiplying the length and the width.
Okay, and what's the length and the width here on this square?
The length is A and the width is A. But
Okay.
so it's A times A.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go. Okay.
What
Now
about
let's
that
look at
one?
now let's look at the little one. Let me write it like this. So I'm gonna look at the little one. Okay.
So it's B squared because
There you
B
go.
times A.
Okay. Now what the shell house? Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is remember I don't have to overrate my book, okay? So what I want you guys to do now is compare with your partners what the areas that you guys got. Make sure that you guys have the same area, okay? And explain if you guys have different areas, explain why.
That's the way you count.
I got
There's
square.
there's 38 little dots inside.
You actually count.
Yes. Isn't that an area? No, he just said to find the thing for the dot. I see what. No, because it's length times width.
Because it's square, it's all the same
Yeah.
size. It's the same thing.
B squared.
Okay. Yeah. Wait, it's the same thing as b times b?
That's why B squared.
That's what I'm saying.
B squared or B times B.
I'm gonna start arguing up that way. Wait, what's that?
Alright, for those of you that are done, okay? The next, what I want you to do is find the area of the remaining shape. Okay, so remember, you remove the smaller, so let me show what we're doing.
Problems like these.
Remove the, so we have something like this, right? So we have something like this, right?
Yes.
And I removed this one. And now I want to find the area of my remaining shape. It should look like this. Okay? So with your partners, I want you to find the area of this shape. Okay, with your partner. I'm gonna walk around and I'm going to
I got it.
help the people that you know.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, that we're not looking for the volume. If we were looking for the volume, it would be length times width. Thank you.
Okay. That's a missing part.
But you remove the square, so yeah, that's why it's not A. So then,
I'm not that confused. This side,
same as
yeah, it's the same as this side and it's the same as this side.
Okay.
So since we just took that out, couldn't it be, this one is B and this one is B too?
Okay.
So isn't it B squared plus? Like plus, and then this side is the same as this side.
Okay, so in writing, explain that to me in writing. So you're saying that it's b squared plus a squared? Is that what I'm meaning? What you're saying?
Yes.
This is b squared plus x squared.
Okay. And what do you say, Shirley? You're not sure? Okay, so let's see the motion that we're doing. Okay. What did we do right now with this square?
We take it out.
We took it out. And what is the area of this? B squared. What does it mean to take out something? Think about that. Okay, I'll give you guys a little hint. So think about that. To get rid of something, right? To take away something, that means you subtract from something. So think about that.
And then when you take out this, you subtract the area of this, like the whole area.
Oh, wait. Wait, never mind. I got you, yes. I know what you're saying. Put it in writing now. Put it in writing.
So let's work with that. Remove the square. So what was the area of the whole thing at first? What did you get? A to the second power, okay? And then what is the area of the smaller square? B to the second power. Okay, so I'm gonna use Heidi's paper here. Okay? So now we have this, right? What did we do with the small?
You remove
We removed it. What's another word in math for removing something? Subtract. So what are we actually doing here?
subtracting.
Subtracting what?
Subtracting the b squared
Subtracting the b squared
from the a squared.
See, you guys are awesome. You guys know this.
Wait, so what happened?
Ask Caroline. Caroline got it.
Caroline, help me.
What are you guys doing? You guys did it?
Sorry. Well, that was
Alright, continue working. We're gonna go over the. You guys almost had it. You guys almost had it.
And you messed up my thoughts.
You not even say anything.
A square minus a square minus b square.
Alright, great. Now, I saw that most of you got it. Okay, so now let's go. We're gonna go back now because we haven't checked our answers. Okay, so we're gonna go and check our answers from 1 through 5 real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna pick on, because you guys have been talking, you guys should be able to answer those. So student number 15, what did you get for number 2? Student number 15, that's Ismael. What did you get for number 2, Ismael?
B squared.
What is it?
For
number 2, so the area of the big square. A squared. Do we agree that we're working with number 2? This is a squared.
Oh, yeah, I agree.
Okay? Now let's go with question number 4. Student number 2. That'll be Priscilla. Priscilla, what did you get? What was the area of your dotted square? Priscilla?
B squared.
B squared. Raise your hand if you agree that the area of dotted square is B squared. Okay? Perfect. Okay? Now I'm going to look at number 5. Okay? Student number 13. 13 Shaha. Right, Shaha, that's you? Okay, Shaha. Alright, the rest of us, please. We can help her out. Shaha, would you like Elizabeth to help you out? She's offering her help. Okay? So Elizabeth is saying is a squared minus b squared. Why is that Elizabeth with the minus b? Okay, give me just a second, Elizabeth, because I have people talking. Okay? Alright, so if you don't like talking in front of people, at least give everybody else a little bit of respect when they're talking. Okay? So Elizabeth, I'm really sorry about that. Go ahead and do you mind starting over for us, please?
From the screen?
Yes, from your screen.
B squared, you take away b squared from like before when you had it was the area was a squared, and then you take away the square which is b squared, so we have.
Okay, so you understand that? So we took away the b squared from the a squared. Okay, so this is a squared minus b squared. Okay? Good? Okay. Now, what I want you guys to do now is, with the remaining shape that we had, you know how we had that L shape looking thing? Okay? I want you to create a rectangle with that. Okay? So go ahead and create a rectangle with that. Okay? I want you to create a rectangle with the remaining two parts, the two larger parts. Make a rectangle.
Two different sizes.
I can without flipping it over.
You could flip it around, yes, you can. To flip it around. Make a rectangle with those two. Make a rectangle with those two. You can flip them around. You can ask one for help if you need to. Let's see, you made it.
I made it from
You guys made it? Okay, made it for that?
And you got
Now, if you already did this, want to step 7, and I want you to find the length and the width of this rectangle. Okay? So on your paper, I want you to write the length and the width of this rectangle. The length and the width. You guys got this. Awesome. Now let's find the length and width. Length and width. This is the length, right? And the width. You can write the A if you want.
Oh, unless you flip it this way.
Yeah?
Then, yeah.
Length and the width. Find the length and the width. Then you are going to. What did you guys say?
Find the length and the width.
Look at it. How did you get to A?
A is the base. Yeah.
So let's look at that. You said there's an A right here, there's an A right here. Now, to these two, when you add them up, does that equal one of those lengths? Which is the length, 2A or 2B? Because you're saying 2A
No,
plus 2B.
one of the lengths is A plus B.
One of the lengths is A plus B.
And then the other one is A plus B, so we add those, and it's 2B.
Oh, okay. So you're saying that one is A plus B. So I understand the A plus B part. Okay? So that's my length, right? But what about, how is my width A plus B then? You got the these
It's
sides.
a different,
It's different, huh?
it's a different variable.
So talk about that.
C. You can make it C.
See? But let's try to use the variables that we have here on our drawing. Okay, try to use the variables that you have here on your drawing. If you need to write the variables here, write
Oh,
them.
you can use B. Yes, yes. No, it doesn't have the same length.
It has to be C because B is shorter than.
There's no way.
Or it could be A minus B.
Look.
I think it's A minus B.
A plus B.
Is that this one?
Because it fits.
It's a rectangle too, I think. There's 4 sides. It has 4 sides, huh? It's a rectangle.
Isn't it A,
Is it A plus B?
Yeah.
A plus B.
2 are equal, then the other 2 are equal.
A plus B plus.
I want you guys to figure out the way.
I was gonna do something.
It's B.
It's not. It's
No, mine this and this.
Come on in.
Yeah, that's right.
So this is, what is the length from here to here?
A.
And what is the length from here to here?
A.
It is?
What is it?
A.
Is it?
B, isn't it? Wait, no, right.
So this is A, and what is this small right here? B. So what is this big length here?
A times B.
A times B? A plus B, right? Okay, we did that from the warm-up, remember? So that's A plus B, so that's this. Now, I want you guys to talk about how you can find the width. It's similar. Okay? I'm not gonna give you guys the answer, but I want you guys to figure it out. Okay? Think about it. You guys have it like this first, right? Okay? Think about how you can get this thing. Okay?
The length is, I know the length is A times B because the long one is A, the short one is B. Because on this one. But then the width, I can't get the width. What did you end up putting up for the width?
How are you guys doing here?
We got that length, but
What's the length?
A times B.
8 times B? So let's look at that.
Because it's A and the small one is C.
Okay, so how do we get the bigger length? Can you multiply? How do we get the bigger length? Yeah, right? So this should be 8 plus B, not 8 times B. So go ahead and fix that.
Yeah, because
So go ahead and that's from the warm up, remember? From the warm up. Okay. Now let's look at this thing. Okay? Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir. So we have this. Okay. And which one are we looking for a rectangle? Which ones are width? Point to the width.
You get C.
So we had it like this.
How is it so no? No, I'm saying what you
How do I find it?